Welcome back to SG Riders. If you're a Honda Ruckus owner, planning to buy one, or simply love unique scooters, today's video is packed with important information. Honda has made headlines in the United States with a major update involving the Honda Ruckus. While the scooter remains one of America's most popular urban rides, there's now an official emissions-related recall affecting thousands of owners. In this video, we'll explain what happened, who is affected, the current Honda Ruckus price, engine specifications, and whether it's still worth buying in 2026. Let's get started. The latest USA update. The biggest Honda Ruckus news in the United States is an official emissions recall covering certain 2017 through 2024 models. According to Honda, the issue involves the fuel filler cap gasket. Testing showed that the gasket material may allow higher fuel vapor emissions than federal regulations permit. Because of this, Honda launched an emissions recall and instructed dealers not to sell affected scooters until the repair is completed. The good news is that this is not related to engine failure or rider safety. Instead, it focuses on meeting environmental standards. Owners are being contacted by Honda and repairs are being performed through authorized dealerships. Honda Ruckus engine. Even after all these years, the Honda Ruckus continues using its trusted 49cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. This engine is famous for its reliability and fuel efficiency. Power is delivered through Honda's automatic V-matic transmission, meaning there are no gears to shift, just twist the throttle and ride. Although the top speed is designed mainly for city streets, college campuses, and neighborhood commuting, riders appreciate its smooth performance and extremely low maintenance costs. Current USA price. Honda currently lists the 2025 Honda Ruckus with a starting MSRP of around $2,899, excluding destination charges and local dealer fees. That makes it one of the most affordable Honda scooters sold in America. Its simple design, low running costs, and excellent fuel economy continue to attract students, first-time riders, RV travelers, and city commuters. Why riders still love the Ruckus? Despite the recent recall, the Honda Ruckus remains incredibly popular. Its exposed steel frame gives it a rugged look unlike any other scooter. The fat tires provide confidence on rough city roads. Its lightweight construction makes parking effortless. Another reason is customization. Thousands of owners across the United States modify their Ruckus with custom seats, handlebars, lighting kits, wheels, suspension upgrades, and unique paint jobs. Very few scooters offer this level of personalization. Is the recall a big problem? Not really. Vehicle recalls happen across the motorcycle industry. The important thing is that Honda identified the issue, informed customers, and offered a repair solution through authorized dealers. Since the problem involves emissions compliance rather than engine reliability or braking performance, most owners are simply scheduling the repair and continuing to enjoy their scooters. If you're planning to purchase a used Honda Ruckus, it's a smart idea to verify that all recall work has already been completed. Should you buy one? If you're looking for a stylish, dependable, and affordable scooter for city riding, the Honda Ruckus still deserves serious consideration. It offers Honda reliability, excellent fuel economy, automatic transmission, and one of the most recognizable scooter designs ever built. The recall should not discourage buyers, provided the required repair has been completed. For many riders, the Honda Ruckus remains one of the best entry-level scooters available in the United States. Final thoughts. The latest Honda Ruckus update shows that Honda continues to support this iconic scooter while ensuring it meets modern emissions standards. With a proven engine, affordable price, strong resale value, and a massive fan community, the Honda Ruckus continues to stand out in the American scooter market. If you're already riding one, you're part of one of the most passionate scooter communities in the world. And if you're thinking about buying one, now you know exactly what the latest USA update means. Thank you for watching SG Riders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle news, scooter updates, reviews, and USA bike launches. See you in the next video.